Hey guys, welcome back. And today we are going to be looking at some pictures of a little sewing project that I just worked on for my daughter. She had asked for a cherry print dress, and so that's what Mama provided. Now, the first dress actually came about because I had mis-sewn the skirt to the bodice, and so instead of taking it out, I decided to just go with the flow, and that is now like a little play dress that she can wear around the house because it really didn't fit. It was kind of loose on her, so she can grow into it. But then when we moved to the second dress, the main dress that I wanted to make for my daughter with the micro cherry print, I actually learned from my mistakes on the first dress. And with this one, I fit it better to her body, and I added some other little lace details, and I added an underskirt to it. And I have to say, it turned out really well. She was so excited to see her dress. She's begging me, can I wear it? Can I wear it? Yes, baby girl, you can wear it to school. So, that turned out really great. And then with some of the scrap fabric that I had left, I actually wanted to make her American Girl doll a little dress, but unfortunately I mismeasured the bodice, and I could barely get the dress onto the doll because I cut the bodice too tight. And so I had to wind up cutting the skirt off, and I cut the bodice off and kept the skirt and added some little detail to the skirt, and it now fits on the doll baby perfectly, guys. So all in all, my daughter is happy. She has two great dresses, one to wear out and about, one to play in around the house, and Josefina has her little coordinating outfit. With all that being said, guys, I really hope you enjoy these pictures. I do have some more sewing projects coming along, and you hear my peanut gallery in the background. Guys, we will see you in the next video, okay? Bye.